How to double or triple your painting business this year. Hi, this is Lee Casano from paintingbusinessman.com. Having extra natural add-on services besides just painting can help keep your business going strong, and you keep the good, high-profit painting customers longer. Also, the right add-on services can instantly double and triple your painting profits overnight without being some kind of do-it-all that has every tool under the sun in their truck. Customers may hire your business to paint interior for them, call you back to do exterior painting, have you painting their parents' or kids' houses. Keep your company busy inside their inner circle of rich friends, have you painting at their businesses, etc. You can quickly see how just a few good cash paying customers can keep you busy and even have you staying booked up for months. Fact, I have stayed busy for as long as 2 years without having to look for more work. People have called me and left me a voicemail a number of times that said, just put me on your list. I learned about staying booked up from a painter I called the 30-year guy. Now I'm the 30-year guy. Good grief, time goes fast. This can save you time and money on advertising and also give you more referrals as well. You don't have to look for more customers if you can keep serving the same quality, profitable customers you already have. These are all powerful money-making add-ons that are related to a painting business and can also offer someone a full-time income on their own, let alone painting. So here are 6, even 8 highly profitable add-on services that you can promote in your own painting business. Number one, one of the most basic and well-paying add-on services is drywall and plaster repair. And inside this niche is also wall and ceiling texturing, a whole extra business. Number 2, another fun and highly profitable add-on would be amazing star murals. This is a specialty type of painting that kids and adults like because people love lights. And amazing star murals makes a great home improvement feature too. Number 3, pressure washing is also a much needed service. People want their houses power washed, and even their fences, driveways, and sidewalks power washed too. Number 4, window washing can also be a nice add-on service. I find that customers hate to look for somebody else when they can pay you good money to do it for them. Number 5, wallpapering and wallpaper removal is a great add-on service. It's easy work, especially when you know how to remove the old paper and install the new. Number 6, staining and varnishing. Most new painters may not know how to do staining and varnishing, but it is easy once you know a few tricks. I actually like it pretty well. With some of these add-on services, you can stay booked up for a long time in your painting business. Heck, I can stay booked up on just painting and drywall. There is a well-established 100-year-old painting company located in Kalamazoo, Michigan. They also offer carpentry and mural painting. They also have a large crew of painters. Heck, I even heard of a painter who would even walk your dog. Start a painting business. Make hundreds daily. Just go to paintingbusinessman.com. P.S. Get a free gift, an amazing Star Murals mini poster. This could be a powerful add-on moneymaker for your painting business. This free poster may be a temporary offer. Just go to paintingbusinessman.com. If you liked this video, please subscribe.